So we'll get started. Feel free. We'll walk right on out here. And this summer project was to change all of these beds were wood, and the wood about every 4 years I had to replace it. And maybe COVID was a good thing in some ways because it totally drove the prices insane on stuff. I could buy these cinder blocks and top cap concrete blocks for literally the same price as wood. So I thought, why am I going to buy all this wood? Plus, I'm almost 60. How many more times do I want to have to be cutting all that up and redoing all that? So I decided this was the time for me to trade these out. We got a lot of rabbits, so this area has the chicken wire along the bottom to keep rabbits out, which has worked very well. But we have, everybody wants to know what the fabric is on the ground. We use a lot of this woven weed fabric. It really is a huge favor in keeping us from having to do a lot of weeding. It really does very well in keeping the weeds suppressed. They'll come up in the cracks and things. You may see a few out here, but they'll come up here and there. But it's a whole lot easier than trying to weed, even this way.